is a super windy day. I did a bit of drone flying over the ocean, and this is the first time where I actually got a violent winds warning. So I had to fly the drone back kind of manually using some of the land markers around here, those big rocks and such. And I got quite a bit of sand on the drone for the landing, but I still just got some seriously awesome footage. Like, because of this wind, the waves are just so epic right now. Just, you know, nature at its violent. You know, the Pacific coast when there's high winds is just so epic looking. So I'm just gonna kind of wander around this beach out here and see if I can find any interesting stuff. Per usual, just kind of film the patterns around and point out stuff as I see it, and have some fun out here. Contrasts of the Oregon coast, where you have these smooth little dunes of sand, just beautiful and very rounded. Sinuous is the word I used in the last video. And then these rocky cliffs right behind them, very jagged, very straight, very sharp, just a completely different kind of look. And they even contrast by color, where you have those lights from the sand and then these jagged rocks above them. And yeah, I just love the Oregon coast. It's so gorgeous. It has just such a, it feels still very wild compared to some other beaches where the waves are quite dangerous in certain places, and these very sharp rocks, and it just feels kind of more like primal nature than something more of a resort.